Windows 11 users are excited right now because Microsoft might finally bring back a small taskbar. Yes, the feature we already had years ago.
At this point, Windows updates feel less like innovation.
And more like Microsoft returning things they removed. New feature, basic functionality, amazing, welcome back. So Microsoft is finally working on a real small taskbar and movable taskbar support for Windows 11, which honestly raises one question: why were these removed in the first place? Windows 10 already had all of this, but when Windows 11 launched, Microsoft removed taskbar movement, proper resizing, a bunch of customization, and Windows users have been complaining ever since. Right now, Windows 11 only has an option for smaller taskbar buttons, not a smaller taskbar. The taskbar itself still stays huge. Microsoft basically said, we made the icons smaller. Problem solved. Not really. Now, Microsoft recently announced plans to improve the Start, Menu, and Taskbar experience. And inside those announcements, movable taskbar support and small taskbar support were mentioned, which honestly should have existed from day one. A Windows insider called Phantom of Firth recently found hidden preview bits inside the latest Windows 11 experimental build. And we can already see smaller widget icons, compact weather buttons, smaller taskbar elements. So Microsoft is clearly testing this right now. And honestly, it already looks cleaner, especially for laptops where the current taskbar feels unnecessarily large. The funniest thing about all this is that Windows users are celebrating the return of features we already had years ago. Imagine Apple removing copy and paste, then bringing it back as a headline feature. That's basically what's happening here. Meanwhile, Linux users are customizing their entire desktop into a spaceship. Windows users are just asking, can I move the taskbar again? Still, this is good news because Windows is always better when users get more control. So hopefully Microsoft keeps going in this direction. Let me know, would you actually use the small taskbar? And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more, because honestly, watching Windows evolve is becoming comedy at this point.